Hi everybody! Tonight's supper where I'm going to make homemade pizza. Pizza dough. There you go. And then we're going to make, we have here meat, and then pineapple, and then pizza sauce. So there you go. Pineapple tidbits. Nagawa tayo ng ham and pineapple. Naglalagay lang tayo ng pizza sauce. Ganyan na yan. Oops. Make sure we're going to save some for our next ingredients. Tapos, spread lang natin. Yeah, we're going to put the ham. And by the way guys, alam nyo ba dati, when I was in the Philippines, nag-work din ako sa Greenwich. O, diba? Greenwich Pizza. That's why. There you go. Layer lang natin yan. Yeah. And then, nag-wash ako ng hands ko. And then, we're going to put the pineapple. Spread it over, all over. I am making a pineapple pizza for you. Yes. There you go. Spread na natin yan. Toto and me. Favorite is pineapple pizza. Mag-swirl din tayo ng cheese natin. Para may dalaga tayo na cheese doon sa toppings natin. Ito yung kagandahan dito guys, kasi alam nyo ba, kayang-kaya mo talagang gumawa ng homemade lahat. Kung masipag ka lang at kung marami kang time. So, not really a problem. So, since day off ko ngayon, that's why I'm able to make a homemade pizza instead na order pa. Diba? Save us some money. Kailangan wais tayong mga nanay. There you go. I have this. Ayan na. Shredded cheese. Ayan. Spread natin ulit. Mas maraming cheese, mas maganda. So, lagay lang natin dyan. Ayan. There you go. Dami kong cheese. Mas maganda kasi pag maraming cheese. There you go. Okay, so here we are. So, ayan yung all meat natin. Ayan yung ham and pineapple. And then, yung oven natin is nasa 420 degrees na. And then, we're just gonna put it in. There you go. That's one. We're gonna put it at the top. Yung, ano natin, yung all meat. And then, ham and pineapple at the bottom. And then, we're going to bake it for, alternate natin, for 8 to 10 minutes or 8 to 12 minutes. It depends pag na golden brown na siya, okay? We'll see.
After 12 minutes, it's this.
Here's your
You
pizza.
can see Hawaiian. You can see.
Hawaiian.
And that's
All meat.
oh,
Okay, here you go na guys. This is our ham and pineapple. So, we're just gonna cut it. Usually, hindi ako gumagamit ng pizza cutter kasi mas mabilis ito. Super crunchy siya. Oh, init. So, diba, yan yung sabi ko pag may gamit yung talaga sa bahay at saka may ingredients lang, mas prefer namin yung homemade. Yung lahat na kinakain namin. At saka, yun nga. Pag marami ka lang time. O, diba? Ayan. So, both of them wants a ham and pineapple. So, ayan na guys. Look. Yum! Ayan, sa ate social to eh. Ayan.
ay susuna.
Ay, susman nga. Toto init. Ayan. Well, see. How is it? Toto init. How's your pizza?
Good.
Is it good? Namit?
Okay. Namit.
Oh, namit, Toto said. How about you, ate namit? Try it.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe daw. Namit?
Mama,
Oh.
I'll give you hearts if you like it.
Oh, okay. Sige na, Toto, be. Have a bite, be. Dali na, isa lang. Dali, be. Oh, sige na. Oh, I love your heart. Oh, sige na. So, ayan na, guys. Ito na yung ating pizza. Homemade pizza. So, ayan na siya. Yan. Eating time.